Good day, everyone. Today, we will be discussing context clues. Together, let's make learning English fun and easy. Understanding a sentence or text is essential to have the full grasp of the information embedded in it. Context clues embedded in a sentence or text help in comprehending the meaning it expresses. Through context clues, words are associated to get the meaning of the unfamiliar text or the whole statement. Learning Task 1. Copy the graphic organizer below. Then, supply the word information or ideas that can be associated to the given central concept. Virus. It can be disease, ailment, germ, illness, sickness, infection, bacteria, and flu or cold. Learning Task 2. Infer the meaning or equivalent of the underlined word in each statement. Leandro is an alumnus of this school. He graduated in 2019. The answer is letter A, graduate. Burj Khalifa in the United Arab Emirates is considered as one of the tallest edifices in the world. It has a total height of 829.8 meters. The answer is letter D. The stunning view of desert in Qatar invites tourists to visit this oil-rich state. The answer is letter B. Emmer invited all her friends to the bountiful banquet in her garden. The correct answer is letter A, feast. The scientists have discovered new species of edible fern. The answer is letter C. Learning Task 3. Use context clues in figuring out the meaning of each underlined word. Identify the letters of the best answers. The extremely dry weather sweltered the dried leaves in the backyard. The answer is letter B, burned. The Philippine government announced the needs to review the tariff imposed on imported products that have gradually taken over the local market. The answer is letter D, tax. Bernadette precariously climbed the highest mountain in the country. The answer is letter C. I used to visit Nami Island in South Korea to see the falling colorful dried foliage. The answer is letter D, leaves. 2 tickets were allotted to each student for the dance party. The answer is letter A, allowed. The mood was somber at the memorial of the fallen medical frontliners. The answer is letter B, serious. Tagaytay City is known for wonderful picturesque of the majestic Mount Taal. The answer is letter A, charming. The students were asked to clarify his answers for everybody to understand his point. The correct answer is letter C, explain. Raycon's parents admonished him for breaking their antique collection. The answer is B, scolded. I am an advocate of anti-corruption movement in the country. The answer is letter D. Supporter. Context clues are important words or phrases in a sentence that helps in identifying the meaning of difficult word or items in a sentence. They provide further information about a word or phrase that helps the reader understand its meaning. Context refers to the parts of a piece of writing that precedes or follow a word and contributes to its whole meaning. There are different types of context clues, which include the following. Synonym or restatement clue. This is a type of context clue that provides the synonyms of words to provide the meaning of an unfamiliar word or words. Definition or statement clue. This is a type of context clue that provides direct statement or meaning of the unfamiliar words. Antonym or contrast clue is a type of context clue that tells the opposite meaning of the difficult word. It shows contrast. Explanation or example clue is a type of context clue that provides readers with varying examples to allow them fully examine the unfamiliar words. Words like including, such as, and for example, point out example clues. Cause and effect or reason-result clue is a type of context clue that explains the reason and the result of an event or action. Words like because, since, therefore, thus, so, etc. may signal context clues. Comparison or sameness clue is a type of context clue that presents the similarities in meaning or context. Words used are like, as, similar to, in the same way, likewise, resembling to, and also. Inference or general text clue is a type of context clue that provides the meaning of unfamiliar words that can be inferred or guessed from the description of the situation. The author provides non-specific clues often spread over the sentence or number of sentences. Learning Task 4. Read the statement below. Using context clues, identify the meaning of highlighted words. Write the letters of your answers. The hotel abolishes its rice-all-you-can policy to avoid wastage of food. The correct answer is B. Removes. The country has a very tropical climate where it only has dry and wet seasons similar to other countries in South Asia. The correct answer is letter A. Humid. The obsolete books and other reference in the library resulted to their removal in the shelves and inventory. The correct answer is C. Outdated. Beverages such as juices, milk, beers, and sodas have increased in prices due to low supply and fermentation issues. The answer is A. Drinks. The luxurious life of my cousin in an exclusive subdivision in Tayabas makes me inspired to dream and work hard for me. The correct answer is letter D. As a country in the Pacific Ring of Fire, at annual average, the Philippines experiences at least 20 typhoons, a weather phenomenon that brings heavy rains and strong winds that can sometimes be disastrous. The answer is C, storm. With poor management, experts predicted that country would have 100,000 COVID-19 cases based on their approximation or estimation. The correct answer is A, prediction. My friends and I dream of visiting South Korea this winter to experience its frigid or frosty season. The correct answer is C, cold. Conclave is an important event in the Roman Catholic Church where cardinals meet to elect the new pope. The correct answer is D, meaning. Melinda is so anxious about her attire for the party, but Felipe told him to relax and remain calm. The correct answer is B, worried. Learning Task 5. Using the sentences in Learning Task 4, identify the type of context clue used in each item. Number 1 is inference. Number 2 is comparison. Number 3 is cause and effect. Number 4 is explanation. Number 5 is antonym. Number 6 is definition. Number 7, synonym. 8, synonym. 9, definition. Learning Task 6. Using the highlighted words in Learning Task 4, use them in your own sentence. Abolishes. The new law abolishes the use of tobacco products in public places. Tropical. Philippines is known as a tropical country. Obsolete. New technology has rendered my old computer obsolete. Beverages. Angela offers healthy beverages to her visitors. Luxurious. Hilda is a collector of luxurious bags. Typhoons. Typhoon Ondoy is one of the strongest typhoon that hit our country. Approximation. That is a fair approximation of the way in which the next boss is being chosen. Frigid. The frigid gusts of wind stung their faces. Conclave. The conclave of politicians was held on a Friday. Anxious. She is anxious to visit Europe. Learning Task 7. Read the statements below. Using context clues, identify the meaning of highlighted words. Write the letters of your answers. The porridge we bought tasted bland, unlike the tasteful soup that my mom cooked for us. The answer is letter D, tasteless. The city of Santa Rosa hosted the Mayor's Summit, a gathering of people aiming to discuss key issues and concerns. The answer is letter A, meeting. The first set of hikers have reached the summit or top of Mount Everest. The correct answer is letter C, peak. Sophia the First is a story of a young monarch or princess highlighting her adventures. The correct answer is A, royalty. Coronavirus causes COVID-19, a disease that infects and weakens human respiratory system. The correct answer is B, illness. She was deprived of the chance to be a real child as she had to work then, unlike her cousin, Wu has free enough to just play and have fun. The answer is letter C, denied. Liquors like beer, tuba, and lampanog were not allowed during the enhanced community quarantine. The answer is letter A, alcohol. The imposition of strict quarantine due to COVID-19 pandemic resulted to deterioration of economic activities of various countries in the world. The answer is A, declination. In traveling to Cainta Rizal from Quezon Province, you may take the road to Antipolo Rizal. The answer is D, direction. The agency is asked nullify the contract considering its labor violations against its employees. The answer is B, cancel. Learning Task 8. Using the sentences in Learning Task 7, identify the type of context used in each item. 1. Antonym. 2. Definition. 3. Synonym. 4. Synonym. 5th. Definition. 6. Antonym. 7. Explanation. 8. Cause and effect. 9. Comparison. And 10. Inference. Learning Task 9. Using the highlighted words in Learning Task 7, use them in your own sentences. Bland. The vegetable soup he cooked was bland. Summit. The teachers held their summit at the principal's office. Summit. You can see everything at the summit. Monarch. He had the ear of the monarch. COVID-19. Bruno tested positive on his COVID-19 test. Deprived. She was deprived to have a loving family. Liquors. There are a lot of liquors at his party. Deterioration. Mental and physical deterioration both occur naturally with age. Route. They took a different routes to reach their destination easily. Nullify. Hopefully, the coffee will nullify the drowsy effect of the medication. Thank you for watching. Till our next English lesson. Goodbye.